师傅的心愿终于达成了。别跟我提他。
I like this new nacho cheese and black bean fuel flavor.
Yeah. Oops, pardon me.
Funny thing is, I wasn't even
that late.
So very glad you made it, Poe. I knew you'd like him.
Hang on. Here comes the wagon again.
So, what else can you do?
I can bite it. Oh, microphone.
Oh, hi. My name's...
How about a little nip? A little catnip. Oops, sorry. That was the last one. I promise.
That sauce must be infused with Ace's secret energy source. I must have it. Excuse you.
I've got to burp.
He's going nowhere.
Then we've got to hide.
Hey.